Stay tuned to see how I created these faux marble trinket boxes. So I needed a little trinket box for my room, and I found these boxes at the Dollar Tree. They're super cute, Valentine themed, and that was not really the aesthetic that I was going for. So I went ahead, and you guys know I love my marble paper, so I am going to DIY another look for this box. I'm using my roller cutter to cut my marble contact paper out, and I kind of just eyeballed the measurements and laid the box on the marble contact paper in different ways to make sure that I had enough contact paper to cover the full box. Like I said, it's a really cute box. It's got a little Velcro opening, super cute, but that pink and red and Valentine's Day just does not go with anything in my room. So I'm peeling off the backing of the contact paper, and I went ahead and just peeled off the entire backing from that big square that I'm using. And then I'm using my roller cutter again to cut at each of the sides where I'll be folding the marble contact paper in. You want to do this as neat as you possibly can so that when you fold your contact paper in, it doesn't create any wrinkles, as well as your creases will be nice and neat. Now, as someone who's, when you see the final product, it looks really good, but there are little small tweaks that I could have made to make this a lot smoother. One suggestion that I can make is that you actually go in and measure the size of your box so that you can pre-cut your contact paper at each individual area that you'll need it, and this will make folding the contact paper in much easier. So like I said, you just cut the paper at each area that you'll need to have it folded in and work accordingly until you get the whole box covered. Since I had some contact paper already cut out, I went ahead and covered this watch box. And here are the finished faux marble trinket boxes. I really like the new look of the boxes, of course, because they're marble, and you guys know I love my marble contact paper on this channel. But I am using these boxes to hold my charcoal coals, and in the other box I'll be putting my resin that I burn. So I have this cute little set, and now I have really nice looking matching boxes to hold all of my resin burning items. I'm so excited to use these, and I love how they look and how they came out. Thank you for joining me for another video this week. Make sure you like this video, share it with a friend, turn on the bell for notifications, and subscribe to the channel. I want to go bigger and better this year with subscribers, so let everybody know about this channel. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, love you guys. Bye.